Hello everyone, this is your file for this week's weekly exercise, and we're going to focus on correlations. Correlations, as has been described to you in the other videos, is basically testing the relationship of one variable to another. I'm kind of doing this a little bit differently in the sense that we've really got 5 different variables. And those 5 different variables actually are the sales figures for 5 different advertising or marketing campaigns. So along the top, in the first row, we have the traditional, the online, the direct marketing, the radio advertisement, and the television advertisement. And then along the side there are 30 entries, and those 30 entries equate to the 30 different stores in each of the 5 regions. So essentially, the scenario that I'm setting up is region 1, which is in column A, has 30 stores, and it's reporting its sales per store for the month of October, and those 30 stores all are in that particular region. In region 2, which is in column B, there are 30 other stores, and those 30 other stores are in a different region, and they used online advertising, and you can see their sales numbers. And then in column C, D, and E, those represent regions 3, 4, and 5. There are 30 stores in each of those regions, and those different regions use direct marketing, radio advertisement, and television advertisement. What I would like you to do is I would like you to test the relationship of the sales figures between each possible pair. And over towards the right, I've given you a table. And you can see how the first comparison that we're going to make is going to be testing traditional to online, and we'll run a correlation coefficient for that. I will do the first one for you, and there's a couple different ways. One, you can go up and you can use the formula generator, which they showed you in one of the videos, and then you can use correlation, and that will give you this screen where you can type in the first array, which in this case is going to be A2 through A31, and then the second array, which since we're doing traditional to online, is going to be B2 through B31, and then you simply click OK and it will give you the correlation coefficient. That's one way to do it, and that's, again, like I said, the one that they showed us that in the video. I'm going to actually give you a little shortcut. The shortcut, which you may already be aware of, is you can use the function. Whenever you're designating a function in Excel, you hit the equal sign, and then you type in the word correl, open paren, and just put in your arrays there. So in this particular case, A2 to A31, separated by a comma, and then B2 to B31 will give us that first correlation, and that first correlation is a positive correlation of 0.34, which by most standards is a weak, moderate weak positive correlation. Basically means where you saw increases in the traditional region, you also saw increases sometimes in the online region. What I would like you to do is finish the correlations table. Go ahead and calculate a correlation coefficient for each of the pairs. And then when you submit, go ahead and save this spreadsheet. When you submit this spreadsheet, go ahead and tell me what you've learned about the different comparisons. There's going to be negative comparisons and there's going to be positive comparisons, and some of them are going to be pretty strong. So identify the negatives, identify the positives, and tell me what you know that means. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call or send me an email.